Now, for me, I know spinal cord injuries, we don't sweat anymore, and that's a big deal because you can't regulate your body temperature. And here in Florida, it gets pretty dang hot. Currently 89 degrees, 80% humidity. And the longer I know that I'm exposed to it, my body gets much more fatigued. And that has problems too. If you are too fatigued and you're driving and you don't have the strength in your arms to react as much as possible, that could be dangerous, or vice versa if it was the cold. I know I tighten up a lot, and that could lead to some problems as well. Or talk about rain. If you want to get all wet, that could lead to more friction against your skin, could cause sores and breakdowns. So minimizing that exposure to elements is really, really critical.
One of the nice things that would be really beneficial is to be able to get my vehicle prepared and ready for me to get in before I actually get to the vehicle. So I can get out of the sun like today, or the wind, or the rain, or the snow, all those elements you want to get out of quickly. I can get the vehicle prepared for me to come out. So it'd be nice to be able to open the camper shell and swing the arm out and get it ready to take the chair. Or if you're in a van, you can get the van door open and the ramp lowered so you can wheel just straight up into it and it's ready to go.
Using your own smartphone, you can control your assisted mobility devices from a safe distance using our Adapy Smart Hub and have your ramp or crane waiting for your arrival. No more waiting in the rain or snow as you ready your vehicle. Just one Adapy Smart Hub installed within your vehicle will provide you control of the majority of remote doors, toppers, seat lifts, cranes, wheelchair lifts, ramps, and more, making your life so much easier.
To help with automating the process of getting in and out of my vehicle, I have what's called our scenes. I'm able to press a button, start a scene, and now my truck can operate without hands and on its own, getting my vehicle ready for me to use.
By using the Adapy Smart Hub, we can now join all the adaptive equipment together into a single point of control, the smartphone. The adaptive equipment plugs into the Adapy Smart Hub, and then the Smart Hub communicates with the Adapy mobile app. Think of it like home automation, but for the vehicle. The user can now control all their adaptive equipment right from their smartphone, avoiding rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions.